So here we are with Dash Cam CIEVIE D100, simple, fast and safe driving. Let's see if it's any of that. We already did an unboxing video. So here's the camera that will go somewhere here, right? Here are the wires to connect it, and here's the rear view camera. So this will have to go through the cabin. This 12-volt connector will go here. This will have to go through the cabin, and here are some little attachments to secure it. So let's see if we can do this, as they say, quickly. What did I say? Simple, smart and safe. Let's try it. So it's already connected. Is the car on? Oh, there you go, there you go.
Start recording.
That's a pretty good view right there. You don't see it. See the view here with a little close-up. Pretty good place to put it. So let's start by that, and the wires can go under here. We're gonna work on that. So we already did the installation. We have the camera up here.
Start recording. Video locked.
There you go. We hit the wire as much as we could. We have to work here a little bit more, maybe some tape, but it's already under here. Goes to the back. You can even see it here. And this other camera, it's already on. So now we're gonna download the app. So we're here in the truck, a little messy, but then look at that. Look at the camera that we installed here, and it's been recording every day since we installed it. There's the one for the back too. It was kind of an easy installation.
Start recording. Stop recording.
So there you go.
Video locked.
So this 12-volt connector has also a USB drive, so you don't lose anything. You add one actually. So there you go. Pretty cool product.
I really don't want to deal with the that is the gator. Really don't want to deal with the pipe. Well, I'm hungry, dude. Such a fan. Why you gotta walk like that? Oh, he's missing his leg. He got in a fight. Yikes, dude. You gotta get him on the dash cam. Little peg leg here. Poor guy. Ew. Look at the way he stomps. The peg. So they call you the Pegasaurus? Poor guy.